Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with a figure skating video. Yay! I'm just gonna share a few edge drills in this video so you're not just stuck doing only swing rolls. But before we get into it, I just want to take a quick moment to give our headband shop a little bit of a shout out. We sell headbands for skating and for winter. We put precious stones on them, so crystals like rose quartz, moonstone, whatever you like. We can even add a skating charm to it. So come check out our Instagram to see all the styles. So let's get right into it with the first exercise. Here we're doing a nice outside edge, just very quickly bringing our leg from the back together with the standing leg. Sorry, I didn't say that very nicely, but you're bringing your leg, your free leg, right away to that standing leg. So it's very easy to do even if you're a beginner. And here we are just focusing on how to hold that outside edge really nicely, even if it gets super curvy at the end, which is what our free leg is doing when it comes together with the standing leg. Try to keep your arms out to the side here, so try not to twist them forward. We're gonna do the same thing inside. Here you can slightly twist your shoulders a little bit forward just to bring that curve a little bit, or make that curve a little bit curvier. So same thing, just bringing that free leg right away to that standing leg so that you can get a nice curve and you learn how to be stable even if the edge is getting really around the circle. So once again, make sure that your shoulders are a little bit to the side. They can turn a little bit inwards. Your posture is nice, so try to think about ribs over pelvis and always looking straight forward. Try not to look down when you do any of these edges. Next exercise is basically the same thing, except we're going to stretch our free leg first before we bring it together with that standing leg. We're starting off in a nice knee bend, and we're just getting a little bit lower into that knee when the free leg comes back together with the standing leg. With the outside, really make sure that your arms are out to the side and just slightly twisting once you're about to change to the other side. So try not to twist the arms too quickly, because then you're just gonna lose control of that circle way too soon. You can also do this exercise with the inside edge. I just forgot, sadly, to film it. So it's exactly the same, keeping the leg stretched and then bringing it together. Next exercise is a quick inside edge where you bring the free leg, right away forward. Again, try not to overturn your shoulders too much here, just slightly. Very gentle and subtle, just allowing the shoulders to move with the hips and making sure that you're starting a little bit in a knee bend and then getting lower as the free leg comes forward. So this is really great for when you're about to do flip jumps or toe loops. You do that nice inside edge, or even before a nice back scratch spin when you're about to enter on that right leg into that nice spiral, into that nice curve in the inside edge. You need to do a nice little inside edge right before. So this exercise helps with those moments. Next exercise, we're doing a back outside edge in a style of an exit position. So we're pushing right away into that exit position. Here our arms are out to the side and just moving gently and subtly with our shoulders. Here's the main focus should be a really nice deep knee bend, and your free leg should be nice and stretched and turned out. Well, the free leg should be nice, stretched, and turned out in a lot of these edge exercises, so please don't forget that. This shouldn't be the only one where you stretch your leg and turn it out. Make sure you're also pointing your toes and keeping your posture over your knee. Now we're doing a back inside edge, which is similar to the forward one. We're bringing our leg forward and we are just swinging it slightly, subtly around our standing leg and then a little bit to the side and then switching to the other side. So these are really great for loop turns, for inside loop turns if you are learning them. Your arms should be staying out to the side and again, gently and subtly moving with the shoulders. So they shouldn't be super closed or overturned. Again, body weight should be over the knees, and we're starting in a mini knee bend and then going deeper into the knee bend as the leg continues. I hope you guys like that video, and I hope that you find that these edge exercises help you in your daily skating routine. So until next time, bye.